have the master giving you lessons, can you, without the master showing what you actually can do. That's if you practice every day, 3 or 4 hours, 7 days a week, over the last decade, and that is how you end up being as good as him.
So here's our man Dave Draper. Now last time we saw him, he was being instructed by Jim Lampkin and Martin Lampkin on the basic skills. But things have changed somewhat, because now we've got Jake Miller and the man himself, Dougie Lampkin, instructing. And things are hotting up somewhat because everything is a lot harder. And I tell you what, our man's doing the business, even if he can do a wheelie as he leaves a section.
Perfect. Perfect. Let it roll. Let it roll. Lovely.
Let the clutch out. Let the clutch out. Go on. Get back on it. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Get the helicopter in. Get the paramedics in.
Dave, you look just a little bit tired, mate. Just a little bit. Is it a little more difficult than perhaps you thought when you first joined us? When you first said, "Oh, go on, I'll have a go."
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. But
Considerably.
the third is easy, isn't it? He's putting it into practice.
It is easy to put it into practice when you've got big rocks that you're bouncing off and you don't really want to bounce off too physically.
To be honest with you, the camera doesn't help because there are decidedly bigger rocks. The hills are steeper than the camera ever shows. You lose perspective. When you look at them, and the likes of Dougie Lampkin just says, "Just go up here," you think, "Oh, yeah, on your bike, mate." Yeah, you do. What do you think about being taught by the master?
I think he was born with one between his legs.
He is a very talented guy, and he can teach you an awful lot. I think after your breather, you better join the queue and get some more done, mate. I'll tell you what, it's not easy stood around watching you. I can tell you, I've had a bit of a sweat on.
We'll get on.
Right, next.
Just like last time, Dave.
Get him up.
Get him up.
Get back on it.
Perfect. Just let it roll. Let it roll. Lovely. Yes.
Oh, set me up. It was all right though, wasn't he? Get it going. Get it going now. Go on.
Take it down for us.
I'm tired. I want to go home. I've had enough.
Are we asking a bit much of you now, mate?
Yeah.
You know, these are not quite world round stuff, but I'll give you credit. I'm not even sure I'd attempt them. And I've been there and got the t-shirt.
Yeah. I'm pooped.
Pooped. Makeup.
I can't swear. There's children present. I'm going home.